Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mr. Bobbin here, if you didn't already know that. And in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing, I'm going to be unboxing yarn I ordered. So I'm wearing this top because I just took pictures in this top because I crocheted this at the Grand Canyon, and I will link the video in the cards. And literally when I got back from taking pictures, I saw my yarn that I ordered a few days ago, and I was like, why not make an unbox with me video, because it's just perfect. So the yarn is here and I'm going to unbox it and show you guys all the colors I got, and yeah, that's really it. So here's my cat on the box that I'm trying to unbox. Anyway, can I get this box right here, please? Please? Is that too much to ask? I need to unbox my box, you know? Okay, she's getting off. Perfect, thank you. Okay, so the box is right here and I'm going to open it. I'm gonna take the plastic out and then, yeah. Really? Okay, so here is the yarn I ordered. I literally ordered this 2 days ago and it came in already, which is amazing. But the yarn came from California and I live in California, so I'm assuming that's why it came so fast. So the next project I'm working on is a Pride Month tank top and cardigan. Hopefully it comes out great because I've never done a tank top before, or I've never done a cardigan. I've done a patchwork cardigan before, but patchwork and like going straight up, totally different things. So it's gonna be a new experience for me, but I wanted to do Pride Month because, like, why not? Happy Pride Month, guys. Anyway, so I got yellow. I got 3 of each color because I like knowing that I have enough. So the yellow I got is literally called yellow, and I got 3 of that, but the third one is coming in later today. No, later tomorrow. So yeah. Then I got 3 of dark orchid. I really don't know how to say that word. I don't know why. I don't know, but I don't. But I got 3 of this dark orchid color for the pride flag, of course. So I got 3 of those. Then I got this pretty rose pink. Got that one, and I have 3 of those. Gotta find it. Then I got 3 of this blueberry color, and these are all supersized. They're the 113 gram one, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 113 grams. The supersize one, not the 70 gram one, because you get way more out of it and it's worth it. I got 3 of those. Then I got Berry Crush. This is such a pretty color. I love it. Then I got black just because I wanted black, because you never know when you want to use black. And then I got red, literally called red. I got 3 of these. And then I'm pretty sure I said this one already. No, I didn't. I got Mod Blue. Pretty, and she loves boxes, so she'll probably be chewing on it soon. But I got Mod Blue, such a pretty color. Then I got Rainforest Green. This is not how I expected this one to look, but looks more turquoise than Rainforest Green, but it'll do. I already said I got that. And then I randomly just got these. This doesn't even look like 113, but I didn't see. It's 85 grams. So I got 3 of this chocolate ombre because I wanted to do something with this. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I just saw it and I was like, that would be cute, so I want this. And then I got a faded denim one, which is, I'm sure it's 85 grams as well. I didn't even know it was 85 grams. I thought it was 113, but it doesn't matter because I'll probably do a small project with that anyway. I have grown to love Lily Sugar and Cream. Yeah, Lily Sugar and Cream yarn, because before I was using Red Heart acrylic for most of my patchwork. No, for all of my patchwork I used acrylic yarn, and I really didn't like how stiff it was and scratchy. It wasn't comfortable like this is. Like, I have been in this for a while now and it feels so good. It's not scratching me. I don't feel like I have to like adjust my shirt because it's uncomfortable. It feels really good. And one thing I would say about Lily Sugar and Cream is that it splits a lot. For me, it's not a problem at all. But if you hate splitting yarn, I would personally not recommend Lily Sugar and Cream yarn. But for me, I don't care because I just work with it and do what I need to do to finish what I'm trying to finish. But for other people, it may be annoying to have your yarn splitting all the time, but I don't mind at all. But anyway, I am so excited to use all of these pretty colors for my Pride Month piece. Is going to be so cute. Actually, I'm missing 2 yellows. I thought it was 1, but I literally only have 1 yellow. So hopefully it comes in by tomorrow because I want to start this project tomorrow. But either way, this is going to be such a pretty project. And then I plan to do, I forgot to get white yarn. I was supposed to get white, but I don't know why I didn't get it. But for a Lily Sugar and Cream rating out of 10, I would literally give it a 9 out of 10 because it is so amazing. It's so soft. It's nice. I'll only give it a 9 out of 10 because of the splitting. It does get annoying, like, for me it does, like when you're trying to crochet fast and get something over with, it splits and it's like weird, then you gotta undo it because you gotta, anyway. It can be annoying, but for me, it's not that big of a deal for me, and it's not a deal breaker for me either. I love this yarn and I'm gonna continue using it until I find something else that I like. But for now, I am a Lily Sugar and Cream woman because I love it so much. This is Lily Sugar and Cream. If you want the tutorial for this top, I'll link it in the cards, and if I can't, I will just have it in the description below, and then I'll link the pattern for this top as well so you guys can make your own. But again, if you're looking for a yarn other than acrylic, I would 100% recommend Lily Sugar and Cream. My sister, more Copy Cali, she uses 24/7 Lion brand mercerized cotton yarn, and it's similar to this, but it doesn't split as often as this yarn does. And then what's her name, Crochet with K uses Dishy yarn, cotton yarn, and it's great. So if you want different types of cotton yarn, 24/7 Lion brand mercerized cotton, Lily Sugar and Cream, and Dishy cotton yarn, and there's so many others, but that's what I know, and that's what I know my sisters use, and their projects come out. Chef's Kiss, and I'll also link their channel in the description as well. And I'm pretty sure that's all I have to say for this video. Okay, so I already took my shirt off and filmed my outro while I was wearing the shirt, so when it flips back to my outro and I'm wearing the shirt, just know that I filmed this anyway. So I decided after I took the shirt off that I'm going to show you guys how it looks, how the shirt looks after it's washed. I'm not even going to follow like specific instructions. I'm just gonna throw my shirt in there, wash it, and let's see if it comes out good. I'm gonna put my shirt, my sister's shirt, and then my other sister's shirt, who she's still wearing it. She's supposed to have that off by now, but she doesn't listen. But my sister Kahila, her shirt is with Dishy yarn. My shirt is with Lily Sugar and Cream yarn, and her shirt is Lion brand 24/7 cotton mercerized cotton yarn. So we're gonna throw them in there together and see how it is when it's washed, if it's all unraveled or if it's still intact and nice, so you guys can see if this is the type of yarn you want to use for your future projects and stuff. So let's see. Okay, just going to toss them in here. I already put the soap, and I'm just gonna do it on delicate because I want it a little gentle. And yeah, and starting, so we're gonna see how it turns out. Okay, it just got out the washer. So far, so good. I'm gonna toss it in the dryer now and see how it turns out. Okay, so the shirt's finished drying, and ta-da, it didn't unravel. It's actually still not fully dry yet, but it's dry enough for me to record this video. So this is how it turned out after washing and drying it regularly, not even trying to air dry it or whatever, just tossing it in a washer and then tossing it in a dryer. So this one is the 24/7 mercerized cotton yarn by Lion brand. This is what Copy Cali made. It's not unraveled, it's very much intact. Perfect. This one is used with Dishy yarn. It's actually, it came out really good. Khalila's own, Copy Cali's own, kind of unraveled a little bit, like the ends just popped off, which is normal. That's not the term popped off, but it came out anyway. But with Dishy yarn, nothing happened at all. This is actually, it stayed intact completely. There's no frayed ends or anything. This is nice. So if you guys want another cotton brand, this is Dishy 100% cotton yarn made by Crochet with K, who is right here. So nice. And then here is mine. Of course it came out perfect. Just kidding. But it came out really good. I don't know why it looks so small. Maybe because I'm small. But it came out really good. I don't have frayed ends either. Actually, yep, found one. But you can easily snip those off if you need to. But other than that, it stayed intact and it is nice. So if you guys want yarn that can be tossed in the washer, tossed in the dryer, then I would totally recommend Lily Sugar and Cream, Dishy yarn, and Lion brand 24/7 mercerized cotton yarn. But I would recommend washing your projects with other crochet projects, not with regular clothes, because I don't know how that would be. I could try it, but I'm too lazy. So you will have to figure that out on your own. But I would personally recommend washing your projects with other crochet projects, just so it's the same texture and, you know. But now I think that is the end of the video, and now it's going to be my other outro I filmed when I was actually wearing my shirt. So cue that, and that's all I have to say. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you don't have it on, turn that notification bell ding on so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.